Hey guys, what's up? This is sahilvatsy and today we are going to do the unboxing of Photron PC speaker 2.0 which is available on Amazon for rupees 299 only plus 40 rupees delivery charges. Okay, and this is for I guess red color. The blue color is available for 349 rupees, but now I am checking out the Amazon website, so they have changed the price for the red one also to 349. Okay, so let's just get on to the box now. So here comes the box. So now we are going to just unbox the box and see how are these speakers. Okay, so here you can see the brand logo of Photron. This is Photron PC speaker. Okay, here you see the USB 2.0 speaker. These are not the Bluetooth speaker. Okay, and if I tell you about the serial number of device, so for finding it on Amazon also, so you can write down this also, PHSPK 473RD. Okay, or you can just search Fortron USB speakers. Okay, so here you get one QR code, sorry, barcode. Okay, so here it's the same only. So let's see what's in the back. So at the back they have written the feature. So features, you can see over here they have written, wait, just let me focus it on. Okay, so they have written fashion design, execute technology, simple and elegant, tasteful life. And there is a USB plug for the power. There is voice clarity for detailed voice. Okay, and different type of sound shows clearly. Okay, and this product is available for laptop, PDA, mobile phone and MP4. Okay, so you can just connect it with anyone because it uses the 3.5 mm jack. Okay, so you can just connect with anyone. Okay, now if I tell you about the technical specifications of it, so the output power of this speaker is 3 watts into 2. Since they are two speakers, so they have multiplied by 2. Sensitivity, if I talk about sensitivity, it's 84 dB. Impedance is 4 ampere, 4 omega. Okay, frequency response is 90 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Okay, it varies between this. And if I talk about the power input, it's a 5 volt DC power adapter. Okay, and this is a made in China product. Okay, so let's move on further. Here you will find some pricing. MRP here written is 990 rupees, but it is available for 349 as I have already told you. Okay, plus delivery charges if you are not the Prime member, and at the back is same. So now let's just open the seal. Okay, so now I have opened the seal. Now we are going to really test that whether these are powerful for this price range or not. Okay, so here you get this two small speakers. Okay, you can see it over here. These are the two small speakers. You can use it with anyone, your laptop, phone or whatever. Okay, so let me just remove this polythene. So you get this one speaker. I have ordered the red color, though it doesn't matter much because there is only one lining over here. Either it is blue or red, so it doesn't matter much. I got this for cheap, so I ordered this. Otherwise there was no difference between blue and red one. Okay, so let's keep this polythene aside. So let's come on to the speaker. So you can see over in the video that you get this two small speakers. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we are going to do the test. Okay, how is the voice quality and everything. So I'll be connecting it with my phone or laptop and just check it out. How is it? Okay, so just I'm keeping the box aside, okay, so that I can make some space. Okay, so just keep them also aside. Okay, so now we are with space. So I did a quick setup of this. So let me tell you also that how you need to set up. First you need to connect this USB cable either to a power bank or a charger or a laptop. Okay, and then next this 3.5 mm cable you need to connect it with the phone or any other device you are having. Okay, and it is ready to go now. Okay, so now at the back, if you see over here, you can see the volume up and down button. Okay, and these are for the speakers. These are the small speaker only. I ordered basically for my laptop because you know the laptop speakers are not much loud and it's not even audible. So that's why I ordered small speaker for them so that I will be able to hear them. So let's just check out their quality. Okay, Okay, so I'm playing a Martin Garrix animal in this. So let's see how does it work. So wait, let me just open it up. Okay, so you now open this up and you can see over here that so I changed out the song to some other song because that was a copyright song. If I play that song, my video will not get live again and you won't be able to say it. So I'm just playing any non-copyright background music. Okay, so let's listen to it and you only make decision how is it. Okay. So I like the voice. I really like the voice because I only need it for my laptop and this is quite enough. And if you see, this is operating at the highest volume. Okay, so this is the highest volume you can see over here. Let me just forward it up. So I really liked it. I don't have any issue. Okay, so that was the voice sample, and if I want to give my final verdict, I find the speaker nice at the range of 349 rupees. It's not a bad deal. Okay, and it is great for laptop if you are using laptop and you want for some little noise, like you want to take some lecture without headphone and all. So these are great for laptop. I don't have any issue, and I just showed you the quality also. It has a good quality. Otherwise, if I get some problem afterwards, I'll just pin down my comment or give the edit comment in my comment section. Okay, so that you make the right choice. And I'll also put the buy link if you want in the description. Okay, so thank you guys, that was all for today's video. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.